Hey guys, Mickaël Casol. I'm here today at the W, Montreal, my second home, and I got a gift. I got a gift from the Bay, La Bay, which is not far from here, and I wanted to thank them, and I wanted to unbox it with you guys. So it's from Brenda Zhu from Toronto, Ontario, the marketing department. Thank you. So let's see what they sent me. So what do you think is in there? What do you think is in there? Ooh, little card. So, Mickaël, thank you for being a Hudson's Bay fan over the years. We hope you enjoy this package for yourself or a loved one. HB Social. Thank you, HB Social. Alright, so let's see. Ooh, Casol World Power. Aha, perfume. I like that. Made in France. Thank you. That's the first one. And second one is l'interdit. L'interdit Givenchy. Amazing. Nice box, nice packaging. Yeah? Thank you. I like that. What else? Woo. Rahua Control Cream Anti-Freeze Curl Styler. Well, as you could tell, I don't really have curly hair, but I'm sure someone of you will be happy to get this. And what else? Whoa, same brand. Rahua Hydration Shampoo. Alright, I guess that's gonna be useful. Plant derived with passion fruit and mango. I like that. Thank you. Alright. So that's it, guys. That was the unboxing event of the day. My name is Mickaël Casol. Thank you for watching us every single day on social media, and we wish you a great day. If you love this video, leave a comment or subscribe. Have a great day. Thank you, the Bay, for the great gift. It's really appreciated.